$1,000 per month challenge. My intention is to grow this channel to $1,000 per month, or even 2,000. Why not even 10,000 per month? It is very possible creating videos on YouTube. That's why I recommend that to be one of the easiest way that you can start making money on the internet with no money. It's very original and it's working. Listen, that's why you see big YouTubers, they are so luxurious, they look so good, they are fine, because YouTube pays you a lot of money. Aside of that, you make money with affiliate marketing, merchandise, making money with brand sponsorship, and a lot of things. So if you're somebody that is not making any money on the internet now, or you're making money and you want to make extra income on the side, I would recommend a YouTube channel to be the best way that you can start making money on the internet, guys. This is 100% real and it's working. Personally, I've started on YouTube. I'm not a big channel. I'm not even up to 500 subscribers, but I've made about 250 US dollars on this channel. A lot of things I have here that I use as a college student. I was just it's very small, nobody, like, it has helped me a lot. You understand? I reduced some kind of charges and bills I used to put on people. Now I ask with little or no pressure, because it's not too demanding. You understand? It has helped me. And basically, for you, you might even be somebody that you have some small cash, or you might be someone that has some access to someone can give you small cash or some more cash. You just get something like a webcam. If you can buy a camera, you even have good phones. Some of you have very nice phones that can capture videos in 4K. Just put it up, talk like I'm doing now. There's no stress. I don't edit these videos. These are just stock videos. And if you know, bro, why you don't make the money and say, it must not make so much money. When I talk like that, somebody will come and comment and say, how much are you making that you want them to make? See, I'm fine with it. Like I told you guys, I want to take this channel to thousands of dollars per month. And I know it's going to work, because I've seen people buy me, people who are doing it, and they're making it. And they even go to a lot of stress more than I do, because I definitely know what I'm saying. And you see a video like this, I just woke up and I'm recording this video. There's no pressure in it, man. There's no pressure. I don't know why you feel okay. You see, you don't want to put your face on camera. That's where a lot of people miss the interesting and the fun part of this platform. Me recording a video now. Okay, you connect to me easier, right? This is Cyril. You're talking to Cyril. I'm not double T. Double T is my. And personally, I'm Cyril. I'm just speaking to you now. I don't need to put on some fancy t-shirt or put on some kind of eyes wristwatch watch, or to have some big lightings here before I can record you. All my whole setup is not even up to how many hundred, it's not up to how many hundred US dollars. Very affordable. You can start with your phone. So I'm here to help you make money on the internet, to give you some kind of ideas. It's not financial advice. I cannot be a financial advice. I mean, I'm just giving you ideas. It's for you now to be serious and implementing. Because I'm experimental. I'm taking you about when I start making $1,000 per month. You see it on this channel. It's a challenge, and I'm giving myself maximum a year. That's the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario, let's be that, hey, people are not liking, people are not watching, people are not subscribing. Yes, a year from now, you understand? You can pin this video wherever you want to pin it. Let's see. I'm going to work for it, and even at the end, it doesn't come out at me, but I'll be at a level that is satisfactory, man. I'm in Cameroon, in Africa. If I convert $1,000 per month to my currency, then you know, but the flex that I'm gonna flex here, well, I'm gonna find for real. I will find, man. So, see, I don't want to make these videos too long, but I just believe that it can help somebody. Start today. These are just talk videos. I don't script them. You can start a no-face channel. It's fine, but connecting with people is more interesting. They are up to about 10 different ways that you can make money on YouTube without sponsorship, especially when you're in a niche like me, an education niche. Although it's under education, I'm with tech and finance, online business, but just talking to people like this, man. Sometimes I look at comments, 2-3 comments, and the comments on my videos per day, and I'm just fine. On a bad day, I look at people appreciate you for what you tell them. They appreciate you for what you do. So if you want to make my day now, just drop your comments. I like this video, especially the likes. And you can like this video and comments. If you can, subscribe. The YouTube algorithm is going to push this video to subscribe. But if you subscribe, it's your advantage, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of things every day. And in the future, you might be want to join me here on a live session, or maybe I'll visit you, man, or pull up. Like, we're talking to people. I'll build this to some kind of stand-up podcast and cashing out, making a lot of money. brands are going to pay, and that's just it to make money. And there's a lot of ways I cannot explain it. I'm just giving you the idea. So if you are smart, immediately after watching this video, create your channel, put your name, or put any name, start recording videos. You see what I'm doing here? I'm just giving ideas, right? You're definitely watching the video up to this time because for some reason you enjoy something about it. So my name is Cyril, and this is Double T. See you next time. Ciao.